in us. Some sorrow so did some, but same other joyfully rejoice. Some hearts of hero is hurt, but same other continues to cheer. Some tears of terror did shed, but same lovely lad still alive. Some feet of fear is badly bruised, but same other gleefully giggled. Oh, what a sad life for they, and what a beautiful world is it for us. We merrily marry with our love. They, in a grief of pain, cry for their lost love. Lesser than them and greater, not so happy but much happier. In soft sounds of slumber, should dreamer dream still, or they must wake up and open their eyes and make their woe a world wonderful. Have you ever seen the rain? Though the rain it rained every day, we are lesser drained. Thank you. After me, intellect also want to recite a self-composed poem.